Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the questions which are frequently asked in various examinations like CTVT, IOE, grade 11 and grade 12. So let's discuss. Now let's start question. That means if A, B, C be in AP, B, C, D in GP and C, D, E in HP, prove that A, C, E are in GP. Yes, see this question. If A, B, C be in AP, B, C, D in GP and C, D, E in HP, now we have to prove that A, C, E are in GP. For this, so we have to prove this one. A, C, E are in GP. So see this solution. First of all, let's see here. That means here we are given A, B, C be in AP. So A, B, C be in AP. That means this implies this we can write that by the formula of arithmetic progression we can write B is equal to A plus C by 2. This one. This we can write 1. And again we are given this B, C, D in GP. So in this way B, C, D are in GP. So by the formula of geometric progression we can write that means C square is equal to BD. We can write this 2. And again this one CD are in HB. So we are given this CDE are in HP harmonic progression. This implies by the formula of harmonic progression we can write that means D is equal to, that means we can write D is equal to 2CE upon C plus A. This we can write third equation. So see this here. That means in first equation the value of B is A plus C by 2, and in from that means equation third we are given D is equal to 2C upon C plus A. So the value of B and D if we substitute in equation 2, then we can get C square is equal to this into this. Now we can write this one. That this we can write on the left and on the right. This CE and EC we can code this way. Now this becomes C square is equal to AE. That means if C square is equal to AE, then this we can write C A C E are in geometric progression GP. We can write this because if this we write, then this becomes C is equal to root over AE. That means this implies when squaring on both sides we get this is equal to C square is equal to AE. In this way we can prove this question. Now see another question one. Means another question is that means if A, B, C are unequal positive numbers so that B square is greater than equal or less than AC according as A, B, C are in AP, GP and HP. So see this question once again. If ABC are unequal positive numbers, so that B square is greater than, equal or less than AC, according as ABC are in AP, GP and HP. See this solution first. Now here we are given ABC are in AP, GP and HP. Case first, taking case first. If ABC are in AP, if ABC are in AP, this we can write, that means this B is equal to A plus C by 2. This one. Now taking this, now take this one condition, B square minus AC. The value of B square minus AC, that means this B square means this we can write A plus C by 2, this whole square minus AC. Now solving this we get A square of A plus B, that means A square plus twice AC plus C square upon the square of 2 is 4, this minus AC. In this way, this simplify this one, this that means here this goes here to AC 4, that means this becomes A square. See this one, this becomes A square plus twice AC plus C square minus 4AC. This becomes whole upon 4, taking LCM. Now subtract this 2AC from 4AC. This we get A square minus 2AC plus C square by 4. Now this becomes A square minus 2AC plus C square. This is the expansion of A minus C, this whole square upon 4 means the square of 2. This we can write the A minus C upon 2, this whole square. Now this we can see this one, that means this becomes always positive. This becomes always positive. The square of any negative numbers becomes positive number, so this becomes always positive. So that is, this we can write B square minus AC is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive number. This we can write B square is greater than AC. So we can write when A, B, C are in GB. This we write. Now another condition we are given this, that means the condition is given, we have to prove this. Then B square is greater than or equal for this, we have another condition, that means see this one. See this one, case 2, second case. In second case we are given A, B, C are in GP. This implies B square is equal to AC by the formula of geometric progression. Yes. Now case third, this we can take case third. In case third we are given A, B, C are in harmonic progression. If these ABC are in harmonic progression HP, this implies B is equal to 2AC upon A plus C. Now we take one condition, that means AC minus B square. We have to take this. Now we have to take this AC minus B square. This becomes AC minus B square. Writing the value of this becomes AC minus B square, means this we can write the value of B is 2AC upon A plus C, this whole square. This we can write. Now this we can expansion the whole square of this, then taking LCM, then we get the required result. So this, see this one, this one we get, that means AC minus this we can write 4A square C square upon this we can write, that means A square plus twice AC plus c square. Now this taking LCM, this becomes AC into a square plus 2ac plus c square minus 4a square c square whole upon this we can write a plus c this whole square. This we can write this one. Now this becomes this AC. This we can write, this means whole square of a plus c minus this 4a square c square. This whole becomes the square of a plus c whole square. Now see this, taking AC common, then we get, this means the square of a plus c minus this becomes 4ac whole upon this the square of a plus c. Now this a plus c whole square minus this 4ac is given. That means this we can write ac into this becomes a minus c whole square. We know the formula. That means, see this formula 1. That means if a minus b whole square, this becomes a plus b whole square minus 4ab, then we get the same result. Now see this one, whole upon, that means a plus c whole square. So this in denominator and numerator both square, so this we can write ac into a minus c upon a plus c, this we can write whole square. That means if this number is less than 0 or greater than 0, that means when this becomes square, this becomes always positive. So this we can write, that means ac minus b square is always positive. Always positive. That means this implies ac minus b square is greater than 0. This implies ac is greater than b square. So this we can write ac is greater than b square. Now we prove this because we have given. That means we have to prove this if ABC are unequal positive numbers, and we have to show that b square is greater than. That means in first case we prove this greater than, in second case we prove this equal, and in third case that means we prove this less than b square, less than ac. So we prove this one. Okay.